Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammed Ali. I'm the co-founder CEO of Cyberways. I have my guest today, Ms. Geeta. She is the practicing lawyer and very famous in cybercrime. What I see dealing with in my day-to-day operations in cybersecurity, I'm seeing even the organizations, they don't know if in case of a cybercrime. So can you just highlight what immediately they have to do, legal perspective?
Yes, it is definitely the need of the hour. Abu Dhabi Economic Department spent millions of dirhams in completely getting their portal, that is a TAM portal. It's fantastic, where you have all the government services under one portal. And I understand it took them nearly 5 years to plan and implement the whole portal. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
So we will have to look at it from the point of the stakeholders. How much thought they must have put into securitizing and safeguarding that portal. Imagine the amount of data that portal collects. There, if you study how they have come up and how they have launched the TAM portal, touch wood, there is not one error you will find from the cybersecurity perspective. They're on the top. Let's come down to a regular size of a limited liability company. Now what happens? Everybody is trying to do all their systems, including the sales, the administration, the purchases, the inventory, that is the stores, the accounts. Everybody wanted it automated. Now, when you're saying automated, it is all going to get into some form of a software. That's the reason why any client that we meet, we are trying to tell them, do a proper mapping of your organization. Don't just plug the gaps as you see a hole. That's actually wrong.
Yeah.
It has to be a complete audit of what your systems are, a complete audit of whether you are complying, and a complete audit of what kind of systems you have in place, which is or is not amenable with the cyber situation. Now coming to the law. Cyber law is absolutely very clear. Cyber law discusses on what can amount to legal issues and what penalty and how it can be tackled, and that's it. Cyber law does not recommend you what to do. It's up to you, especially the companies, because of your question. The first and the foremost thought the companies have to provide is to kind of budget
allocation.
Absolutely.
And depends upon their services, their organization nature.
Absolutely.
They can have the budget and they go phase-wise approach.
Absolutely.
And then they implement slowly.
Very true, because when they are going to do it, they really need to have what we call the legal compliance audit.